What's up YouTube? Sabadi. My name is Kat and today I'm going to be cooking Vietnamese coffee. If you have never had Vietnamese coffee, you're missing out. I typically prefer the iced version and that's what we're gonna do today. You'll usually find this on the menu at Lao, Thai, and Vietnamese restaurants. I really like to make mine right here at home. I would really describe it as thick, creamy. It's almost like an espresso type flavor. And if you've ever had Cuban coffee, it is right up there with how robust and just thick the coffee is. And it is my absolute favorite, all right? And I am coffee obsessed. Obsessed. I love all things coffee, all coffee, everything that is flavored coffee. I even have coffee plants. I wanted to kind of brag a little bit about how cute they are. Cute little coffee plants. All right, so let's talk about all the tools and ingredients that we're gonna need to make this awesome coffee. First up is the coffee. The brand that I use most often is the Trung Nguyên brand. You can get this at international and Asian markets, and they sell it on Amazon. If this coffee is not available to you, any really fine medium roast coffee will be perfect for this recipe. Now, when you're looking for coffee, you want it to be very powdery, very sand-like. It's a super, super soft consistency, and that's key to this recipe. You'll also need a heatproof glass, ice, and you'll need sweetened condensed milk. So I'm going to boil water right here in my tea kettle that we'll use to brew the coffee. If you don't have one, you can boil water in the microwave or on the stovetop. And last but not least, we're gonna need the coffee filter. This particular one here is pretty traditional for making the Vietnamese iced coffee. And you can get this at Amazon, international Asian markets. But if you don't have one, a French press works just as well. And now that you know what's up, let's get cooking. We'll begin by boiling our water. We're going to use this water both to brew the coffee, but also to clean our equipment. I really do feel that whenever you put the filter in boiling water and give it a good soak, the coffee just tastes so much better. Add sweetened condensed milk to your heat-proof glass. I tend to like a few tablespoons, and then fill the glass fully with ice. Remove the top of your filter and the press. You'll place the plate of your filter over your cup, and then you'll fill the filter with 2 tablespoons coffee. Give your filter a little shake to level out the coffee. Place on top of the plate, add a tablespoon of water and press. Then add the remaining water to the top of the filter. Place the lid on top and allow to brew. The drip should begin at about 1 minute and should complete at around 7 minutes. Now this slow drip is what gives the coffee its very espresso-like consistency. Once the coffee is brewed, remove the filter and stir. Oh yeah. Thanks for coming and cooking with me in my kitchen. If you guys want to see more content, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. And if you don't mind putting in the comment section below your favorite coffee brand, I would totally appreciate it. I am so coffee crazy. I want to know all the good that is out there in the world. And until next time, everybody, cup chai.